Hello and welcome to 102 Farrington Lane in Waverly, Pennsylvania. This stately brick colonial sits on a well-kept, oversized lot in a prestigious Waverly neighborhood. Please join me for a tour. This lovely Abington home is simply stunning. A professionally landscaped yard is complemented with a nice mix of mature trees, making this property a private and serene escape from everyday life. As you enter this nearly 4,000 square foot home through wooden double doors, you will certainly notice the large windows above, making this an impressive eye-catching entrance. An abundance of natural light drenches this foyer, complete with gleaming marble floors, a custom curved staircase, and a sparkling chandelier. To the left, double doors lead you to a room that is perfect for a home office. To the right, a large living room with high ceilings provides a luxurious space to entertain or relax. The dining room is right next to the living room, and it's ready for all your family's special occasions. The custom kitchen is well equipped for the chef in your family. A pantry with floor-to-ceiling shelving, granite counters, rows of custom wooden cabinets, tile floors, stainless steel appliances, custom tile backsplash, and recessed lighting highlight this stunning kitchen. A large breakfast nook is close by with French doors leading to the back deck. A spacious family room with high-angled ceilings and a marble-faced fireplace with white mantle is next to the kitchen. Two sets of French doors to the back deck, along with half-moon windows and skylights, floods this room with natural light. A second-floor balcony overlooks this impressive room. The living space on the first floor continues with this gigantic master suite. It includes 2 walk-in closets and a luxurious master bath. A whirlpool tub, double vanity sinks, tile floors, and separate shower highlight this soothing escape. A half bath and laundry room completes the first floor of this Waverly home. 4 large bedrooms can be found on the second floor. 3 of the bedrooms have walk-in closets. The 4th has double closets. 2 full bathrooms are right off 2 of the bedrooms. A Jack and Jill bath connects the other 2 bedrooms. One of these bedrooms includes not only a huge walk-in closet, but a large vanity area as well. Nearly 2,000 square feet of additional living space is found in the finished lower level. Whatever you are looking for, be it a man cave, home gym, or child's play area, there is plenty of room for it here. This area also provides tons of closet space, a possible 6th bedroom, and another full bath. The rear deck is an inviting place to entertain and enjoy the natural setting of your private backyard. This home also has a 3-car garage. Waverly is a popular place to live. From the general store to the bustling Waverly Community Center, there is plenty happening here in this historic town. The Lackawanna State Park is just minutes away, and many golf courses are in close proximity to this home. This home is in the popular Abington Heights School District. Waverly Elementary is right across the street. This home is here ready for you to move in right now.